Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5, stock number 6396. This ran from the 2nd 2012 to the 12th 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a CH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy lamp with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,